Once you open an Excel file, you will get a blank workbook. And you should understand each and every window options in Excel. The first thing, you can able to view a lot of columns are there. Each column has got a name. For example, column H, column J, column K. At the same time, there are a lot of rows are also here. Take an example, row 4, row 5, row 6. The most important thing is a cell. A cell means an intersection of a column and a row. And every cell has got a unique name. The name of this cell is I6. If you click on any cell, take an example again, if I click on K8, it is column K, row 8, and name is written over here, and this is what is called name box. So if you want to navigate to any particular cell, either you can use mouse scroll button or you can type it over here. For example, if I want to go to M500, click on this name box, type M500, enter, you will reach M500. Here it is in column M, row 500. I hope you understand what is a cell. Once you open an Excel file, the first window view is Quick Access Toolbar, and that is on the left top. Here already save, open, undo and redo options are over here. If you are using any tool frequently, you can add those tools into Quick Access Toolbar. For customizing more tools, there is an option of drop down, and this is what is called Customize Quick Access Toolbar. Click over here. You can add more thing. For example, if I click on email, email will attach here. If I click on this email option, this file will get attached with an email and you can send it very quickly. The same way, you can add any tool from here. Take an example, if I am clicking sort ascending appears here. If you want to add more tools, again go to Quick Access Toolbar. There is an option of more commands and we can add more tool. For example, if I want to add a custom sort, click on custom sort and add it, and it will comes to the right side. If I want to add an option of font size or anything, for example, there is an option of cut, add to right. And if I want to remove anything, take an example, I want to remove email, just click on remove, then you just go OK. And in the Quick Access Toolbar got expanded and more tools you can add it over here. You can also position this Quick Access Toolbar in one more place. Click over here. There is an option of show below the ribbon. So the Quick Access Toolbar appears here below the ribbon. So ribbon means these all are the various ribbons. I will come to that one. If I want to go back to the normal place, show above the ribbon and it appears here. The second important thing is, once you open an Excel, you can view a lot of tabs. Here it's called File, Home tab, Insert tab, Page Layout. These all are the various tabs. For managing these tabs, either you can double click here, all the tabs will collapse and the ribbons appears only if you click here. And at that time, these ribbons you can able to view. If I click on page layout, the page layout view will appear. If I click outside, it will disappear. If you want to make everything open always, double click any of these tabs and it will be always open. And there is an option here to collapse here. There is a small upper arrow, collapse the ribbon. Click over here, it will collapse. If you want to make it open, double click any of the tab, it will open. Inside the tab, a lot of ribbons are here. And at the end, all the ribbons are grouped into clipboard, font, alignment, number format, style, cells, editing. At the right side of this ribbon, there is a dialog box launcher. If you click on this dialog box launcher, it goes to formatting the cell. For example, if I click on alignment, it goes to alignment related formatting. Or if I click on font, it goes to the font related formatting. But in general, it's all goes to format cell, and you can format by way of number formatting, alignment formatting, font formatting, and border formatting. It's all remaining same. The most important thing is called formula bar, and this is what is called formula bar. Take an example. I'm typing two numbers, 100 and 200. If I want to add these two numbers, start with equal to. The moment I start equal to, in formula bar, equal to appears here. Select the cell plus 200. So 100 plus 200, the reference will appear in the formula bar. And if you want to activate this formula, either you can enter or you can click here. If you want to activate any new formula, you click on FX insert function. From here, you can select any formulas. For example, if I want to use financial formulas, click on finance and we can select any financial formula from here. The same thing, you can go to formula ribbon and there is a function library. From here also you can select all the formulas. Both are remaining same. Either you can use FX function and you select the nature of the formula required, or you can directly go to the tab and you select it from the group. When it comes to the bottom part, there is only one sheet, that is sheet 1. And if you want to add more sheet, you can click over here, insert a new sheet. It will keep on adding the new sheet over here. And there are two scroll bars. One is horizontal scroll bar and this is vertical scroll bar. This is for dragging it down and up. The Excel has got different views are there. This is a normal view. If you want to convert into a page layout view, you click over here, it will convert into a page layout view. If you want to come back to the normal status, again you click on normal view, it's a normal view now. And there is an option to zoom it. If you want to increase the size of the cell, you can click on this zoom button. It will add. If you want to decrease it, you can decrease it. But if you increase or decrease, your tab and ribbons, that size remaining same. That won't change. So one of the latest features in Excel is there is a search option. Suppose if I want to search one particular tool and I don't know where is the location of that one. For example, data validation. And you can appear here data validation. You click over here, the data validation ribbon will appear. So search will help you to search any of the tools and you can quickly access that tool. And the right side bottom, there are some control buttons are there for its minimizing and restoring and closing.